Okay, let's discuss another tool for energy management calculation, which is the linear regression analysis. The linear regression analysis it determines and quantifies the relationship between variables. It enables its standard equation to be established for energy consumption. This is a single independent variable that we will use on an XY scatter diagram. Then, this chart shows a low degree of scatter indicative of good fit. It indicates poor level of control and hence a scope for energy saving. So we have a sample table here that there's a monthly energy use. This will be considered as the y-axis, and then the production in terms of tons per month will be the x-axis. So we have a month 1 to month 9. If we project based from the graph, it shows that the energy versus production is y equivalent to 0.4 x plus 182.1. So we will proceed for the manual calculation how we get the y equals 0.4 plus 182.1. So if you want to see the manual calculation for that one, so we have the number of months here from 1 to 9, month 1 to month 9, and then the monthly production in terms of tons per month. So the summation of this one is 4,100, and then the monthly energy use is the summation for y-axis is 3264, and then the x square of the monthly production summation is 1,994,800, and then the x and y summation, which is 1,537,280. From the formula Cn plus summation of x m equals summation of y, and z summation of x plus m summation of x square equals summation of xy. From the formula of slope y equals mx plus c, therefore the normal equation becomes the c will be 9, the n will be 9, then it will becomes 9c plus summation of ex 4141 m equals 3264. The ey is 3264. So if we substitute this one, will become 4100c plus the summation of x square m equivalent to summation of xy. On solving simultaneously, we will get m is 0.4, c equals 180. So y will become 0.4x plus 180. So same with this graphical presentation, trendline equation of energy versus production. That is the linear regression analysis. So from the equation, it can be seen that the theoretical base load for the furnace is 180 metric tons of oil equivalent. Same relation can be obtained by plotting the graph. So if we want to plot, I will delete this one, the energy versus production, through Excel, so that we will not proceed for the manual method to get the formula that will be used later on in the cumulative sum. So highlight this one, so insert chart x and y scatter, and then from this, since the monthly production will be the x-axis and then the y-axis will be the monthly energy usage. So we will edit this value. So select data, go edit. From this one, we will make it, instead of B, we'll make it C, the location. Enter. And then for this one, instead of C, we'll make it B. Enter. Then okay. So the x-axis will be the monthly production in tons per month, and then the y-axis will be the monthly energy usage in Y. So to put a trend line, so add a trend line, linear trend line. Then if you want to compute, to see the equation on the chart, it will show that this one will be 182, 0.4. Y equals 0.4 plus 182.1. Almost same with this manual calculation. So this is the energy use versus production. So that is the powerful tool that we use in energy management calculation, which is the regression analysis. In the next video, we will discuss about the cumulative sum. Thank you very much.